Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Today was Thursday, May 23rd, 2019. What a crazy day. Did you see crude oil today? I know it's down at least $3.50 from the highs of 61.41. At the time of this recording, we're the low holding right now. Whether it hold or not is irrelevant at this point, but the low currently is 57.92. So high against the low, 61.41, right? 61.41 was the high, and we've been down to 57.92. That's 349 ticks today. On my spreadsheet, a 12p move today on current range was 236 points. So 349, that was 113 more, so $1.13 greater than a 12p move today. When I calculated it out today, my spreadsheet shows 12 because that's usually a good mark if and when it can go extreme that way. Today it went down 17p. Insane in the membrane, right? I had 6 trades on the day, and I ended up plus 53 ticks. Got so close to holding today. There was a 10-minute showed a shooting star, and that got me out of my second trade. Actually, believe it or not, my very first trade on the day was a long signal, and I was down minus 10. My second trade, I went up plus 36 to net out 26. And then I had 6 trades on the day. The rest of my trades were trying to, after the pretend second contract that I have on got off, then I started trying to get on the long side a little bit. Ended up getting with a plus 53 overall on the day, on the trading day. So as far as FTP goes on step 2, I'm a little above 31,000 right now, finally, and I need another roughly $1,000 to move to the next stage. So really, that's about all I got to talk about right now. The market was, demand area right now, fresh demand, I guess. I'm still trying to learn all this, but I saw some good buying opportunities down below once it reached the 50, especially when it reached. It was a low prior was 57.94, and then it went to 57.92, and that was probably my best long trade that I got on. I went long at 5,800, and I was able to capture enough profit to get me up at I think I was at plus 33, and I got another 20 ticks off of that trade, so it went up plus 53. I really thought that particular trade that I was in was the one that was going to go back up to around at least 58.50, if not higher. Now, all this being said, from the way I'm looking at it right now, if the market can get above 58.50, I would say, let me rephrase that. If the market can close above 58.50 right now, I believe that the short side move is over for a while. So that would be the area that I believe the market's trying to, at least the short side traders are trying to keep that market below right now. So you can see that being reflected in pricing right now. Now, honestly, what I think is going to happen at this point in time, it's going to stay within a pretty tight range between the low and underneath 58.50 until the 1 o'clock mark, and then maybe into the last 30 minutes, you'll see the close 30, or you'll see a further sell-off in the last 30 minutes. So the long side will be trying to get it above 58.50 to see if they can close above the 130 mark, being the former open outcry. And if they can't do it, they'll try to get it before close of business today. So the longs will be trying to, I believe, will try to get this market above 58.50. The short side traders will be trying to keep it under that. So I think that's the key point right now. We'll see if that ends up being the key point, but right now, that's what I'm seeing on the charts as I look back on the hourlies. It looks like 58.50. A close above 58.50 will warrant a move that will continue to move up into maybe Friday into next week. Staying below 58.50 on a closed basis probably keeps the shorts in control for a little bit longer. What I mean by that is the longs will be able to move maybe up to the retracement levels around the 60-61 range if they can get that close above 58.50 today or tomorrow. but they would be looking to get that close above 58.50 if for any chance of the retracement trade. Now eventually the retracement trade will come along. If the market, if the shorts can stay in control of this, the next down areas from where we are right now is around the 54, 55 range. So there's still some good areas to run on the short side trades. If they want to take it down, you're looking at between, looks like when I'm looking at the charts, between 55 to 54 to be able to run from where we are right now. So basically another $4 down, $3 to $4 down from where we are currently. All right, that's what I see. I don't know. What do you think? All right, Dave Knight here for 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Today, once again, was Thursday, May 23rd, 2019. Yes, the crude oil market went down $3.50 roughly. I was able to capture about 50, actually, in the FTP, step 2, I was able to capture 53 ticks off of 6 trades. See you on the next video put together. Bye for now.